So to make it easy, you want to use your own computer or laptop to do this, because if you do it on your phone, sometimes you won't find the manage option right here on the membership windows. But if all you got is your phone now, make sure to have it in request desktop mode. And then if you are on Apple device, try to use Safari or Google Chrome. Here on the desktop, you want to signing in to your YouTube TV account on tv.youtube.com, and then click on sign in at the top right of your screen, and then choose your Gmail account. After you signing in, you want to click your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then click on settings right here. And then here on the membership windows on the base plan, you want to click on manage right here. After that, you want to go to the bottom, and then on the cancel option on an access to base plan, click on cancel. And then here at why are you canceling, you can just click continue canceling at the bottom right of your screen, and you are good to go. And then if instead seeing this manage option at the membership windows, you see add option like I do here, then it means you are logging in to the wrong account. Make sure to log out first and then signing in again in the right one. But if you're still unsure what was your account that have YouTube TV subscriptions or having the paid package, you can watch my video in the comment section about how to see your YouTube TV account that have a paid subscription. If you still have any problem, just comment down below about your problem and what have you done to fix it, so I can see the best solution for you. And then one more thing, if you see here on the membership windows on the base plan, if you don't see anything, either add or manage, you can try to use your computer, and then instead opening YouTube TV on YouTube TV application, you want to open it through website browser such as Google Chrome or Safari, and then try to do each of the steps in my video. And that's how to cancel YouTube TV subscription or membership. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.